Good morning and good evening in US. This is Danish and this is the weekly chart review. Um, we'll discuss the charts quickly and then we'll open the floor for questions. Um, Everybody's happy today that the markets open with a gap up, as right here you can see. But what I see is market is doing nothing but following this red channel line. Even on the Friday, um, when everybody uh, was scared that the market is going in deep plunge, as I'd mentioned, it's trying to stay close to 33.22-ish and the red channel line. So this is an expected move. Worst case scenario, we will tap again 33.22-ish. Best case scenario, we will always stay below 3389.5. That's the line in the sand. We can see this on a weekly basis chart as well. This is just fine. Tapping along the red line, tapping along the red line. We were stretching too fast, too soon, too hot, and hence, uh, you know, uh, the market came crashing down. And as of now, this is just healthy on the weekly chart. Yes, going back to daily, this is just fine. I expect this to stay on this red line and sideways, and until end of November. That's this wedge, this triangle. We are going up and down, and the proof for the box still remains right here. We are still in the box. So if we are going up today, tomorrow we will be down, or vice versa. So it's okay. It's expected behavior. Going to Nasdaq. Let's see Nasdaq. By the way, every index as of right now is doing the same thing. Yeah, Nasdaq is in a box. This is the perfect box. How long it'll go? Again, it'll follow the lead of S&P 500. Uh, I can't say that on this channel because I've not changed the course of this channel on Nasdaq. On S&P 500, I did change the course of channel, so I readjusted and I see it should stay below 3400-ish until end of November. But Nasdaq weekly is still trying to get back inside. We still have higher lows, higher highs, so that's a good news. That's a good news. Uh, it's taking support at 11,271.25, and uh, this is just the natural course it should follow for now. Any surprises again? No one would know until it happens. Going to Russell RTY. Oh wow, Russell is back. Russell is back inside the channel and above the resistance level. By the way, Russell has been in the longest possible box that I could have imagined. Russell is in a box from July, mid of July. Russell has been in a box. It's such a nice, pretty box. Up and down, up and down, up and down. And um, let's hope Russell, because Russell did not stretch too far up. It was going all the time sideways. When S&P 500 futures would get out of the box, Russell should show a very quick recovery, in my opinion. For now, again, Russell is tapping along this line. Best case scenario, Russell should stay just above 50-30-ish, or worst case scenario, it'll be forming longer wicks on either sides, whatever the case may be. But you can see long wicks at the bottom. That's a lot of buying pressure, bulls, bulls, bulls. So the week is still young, just the beginning, one hour or so. So a long way to go. But Russell on a weekly, um, it's just fine. This is a nice bullish engulfing candle on weekly on Russell. So, and hence this little guy that's the beginning of this week is sitting on top of this Fibonacci lines. So this looks really good, Russell. Going to Dow Jones. Oh, Dow Jones is just fine. Again, this is been going sideways right from here. But if we look at it from, so by the way, Dow Jones actually stayed below this green line. It respected this line, even though it tried to go up. These days, there was a lot of selling pressure. And even though it tried to fall down below this level of channel, there were the bulls that pushed it all the way up. So just tapping along this line. This is the kind of movement which is good because it goes down, taps along this line, goes up, taps along this line, and keeps on consolidating. Side in, up, side in, up. That's good. It's taking time to assimilate the growth. If you could look at it on a weekly, again, wow, this is again a bullish engulfing, and that explains the gap up. There was so much pressure. The bulls were pushing it so high, and there was a lot of selling pressure as well. But it still managed to have a bullish engulfing candle. So this is just fine, hanging around in the middle of the next channel, next level. So going to Australia for people who are in Australia in this call. Oh, this, as I said, has been an extended sideways trend on a daily or a weekly chart. This has been going absolutely sideways. This itself is a box. I mean, this has become absolutely stagnant. ASX. If we do it into a line chart, this is not going anywhere. ASX is just waiting for American markets to show them a direction before they can go up any further. I'm scared that it may actually fall below. It's already showing pre-market is at 57.91, which is below this Fibonacci line. So I would be concerned with the people who are investing in Australian Securities Exchange. Looking at it on a weekly basis, this is a bearish engulfing candle. People in Australia who are investing in XJO, ASX 200, this is a scary candle, bearish engulfing candle. This week would be way more scarier than the last one. So be careful. Coming to Nifty for people who invest in India. Nifty weekly, it's just hanging in between. Going to daily, daily has gotten into a box-like situation starting here. I was actually looking at it on Friday. Nifty has gotten itself into a box. Looking at it on a line chart, the box holds the index right here. Going back to candlestick, there's the box. So Nifty is again waiting for S&P 500 to give a direction. Looking at it on a weekly chart again, Nifty is just trying to struggle and trying to stay above 11,200. That was the um, the support level, 11,200 support slash resistance level. So as of now, Nifty is waiting for ES again.